How to use Google AI Studio for free. Want to try Google AI Studio without paying? Let's explore how to use it for free step by step. So, step 1, sign up at aa.google.dev using your Google account. Free accounts get trial credits to task text, image, and video generation. So, step 2, explore free models. Gemini handles text, Imagen creates image, and VO generates short cinematic video. Each has free trial codes. So, step 3, use the playground. It's an interactive space where you can type prompts and instantly see results. No coding needed. Step 4, track your free quota. Each account has daily or monthly limits. Track usage in dashboard to avoid hitting caps. Export your work, download text as documents, save images as PNG or JPEG, and export videos in MP4. Free tier allows exports but may limit resolution or length.